Man, that thing's covered, right? Now it is.
No, Winston, I'm gonna
fetch my sunglasses.
Oh, damn, dude, you got a little mud on you. Some bitches. No doubt. It looks like cow shit on you. Hey, Winston, I'm gonna be even. I'm gonna be generous. I'm gonna put a frame around that motherfucker. Take a picture. You want little hearts?
Yeah, dog.
Or you want to put stars? Hey, man, where do you want money?
Get off the personal. I'm feeling one with nature.
You ought to feel one with nature after a second time you got stuck today.
Yeah. This is a little worse than the first one, I think.
Yeah, the first one you backed it down, drove it out. Yeah, you drove it out.
Watered it.
Wait, where'd you get stuck the first time?
Down there around that corner.
Oh, okay.
About over knee deep, the hose was.
Yeah, now this is gonna be like seat deep.
Yeah. It would probably be a different story if I had STI much packs.
No, you need them outlaw radials now. My mud tracks are alright, but that's buried.
Boys and girls, always carry a shovel. This is a turd.
This is gonna be a good one for YouTube.
Hey, where you gonna put it under? So we can look it up.
Winston 700 Arctic Cat buried.
Alright, hold on. I gotta save that to my phone so I remember. Damn, I gotta put it on this. Damn it! Damn it! God damn it.
Don't fall down now. Here, let me give you some light. Hang on. Did it come on yet? Yeah.
Great. Damn, phone will go.
Hey, Lillian, did you answer my phone?
Where's your phone at?
In my console.
Dude, that reflective tape on your four, it's like lit up as crap. That's funny. Oh, that sounded nice. What?
It was a cat growling.
Oh, man.
Push the ground at you.
I wish it was growling out of the damn hole.
Why don't you get on it and start it and see if it'll growl out of that hole?
Oh, Dylan called you. He was wondering where we was fishing at. They was gonna bring us some sweet food. They was gonna make tea.
We're gonna be fishing in mud.
Fishing for mud.
I don't think we're gonna have to go too far. It's falling out of the sky. Heck.
You see everywhere. I gotta tweet that.
Dude, you're not gonna dig that out by hand. I'm just telling you. If you'd let him go with me to get a shovel, we could get it out.
Go.
Here, you want to take some video?
Not really.
Okay, dang, get that sling mud over me, don't you?
Oh, buddy.
Hey, you're back now.